The MAU Bayreuth Conference returns this year and will be taking place in a digital space. We would love nothing more than to meet you all again in person, hopefully in the near future. We made good use of our team's experience and creativity to translate the spirit of our conference into an online context, and we are looking forward to sharing this spirit with you. The MAU Bayreuth Conference wouldn't be the MAU Bayreuth Conference without a rich program tailored around its core, the simulation of the African Union. The 2021 conference will be taking place under the theme Made in Africa: Innovations, Concepts and Solutions for the Challenges of Our Time. Great variety of activities is awaiting you, including diverse workshops, an entrepreneurship forum, a movie night, an online installation of our MAU Art branch, and 2 panel discussions. But the heart of our conference is you, our participants and guests. With our conference, we aim to connect people from all across the globe with diverse backgrounds and interests to discuss burning questions and topics in and around the African continent. You too can be a part of this exciting event. Please be sure to visit our website, modelafricanunion.de, to get more information on how you can apply to be a delegate at our conference. We look forward to seeing you in June.
I would extremely recommend the Model African Union because I believe that it's a place where we can put the African people, Africa diaspora, and people interested in Africa together to think about solutions regarding the continent. And I would recommend extremely for my colleagues. Particularly, I'm studying international economics, business, and cultural diplomacy in a really diverse classroom. So I believe that they would be extremely interested in the topic of the MAU conference. Thank you.